Pot breaking challenge. 2 chances. Start. బాగా ఆలోచించుకో. టేక్ యూర్ టైం. చివరికి పట్టుకోదని. Break the pot and get lot of chocolates. No, chance miss. There is only another chance. There is only one chance left.
Okay.
Oh, gone. 2 chances gone. Ready? There are 2 chances. Take your time. Go. Smash the pot and win lot of chocolates. Arre! Miss. Last chance. Think carefully. Oh, another chance gone. Okay, third player is here. Start. Smash the pot and win lot of chocolates. Third player, 2 players couldn't hit it. Let's see what happens.
We get next one.
Wrong. That's completely wrong. Take your time. He's thinking a lot. Oh, wrong. Second chance gone. Fourth player, 3 players couldn't hit it. Smash the pot and win lots of chocolates. Ready, start. Ratti kotal okka debbaki. Wrong. That's wrong. Wrong. Second chance gone. Fifth player is here. Start. Only 2 chances are left. Smash the pot and win lots of chocolates. No, wrong. Only last chance. Correct. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it then. Adi super. Good. Idippo. Camera కనపడలా.
Yeah. చాక్లెట్స్ అన్ని నాయే.
ఇంకా smash it.